Okay, well, let me tell you, you have marks for the attendance. Okay, and I will also announce in the group also, and I will also let them know that there is marks for attendance, and if they remain absent in these ways, then they will get less marks. Okay, whatever, let's start. So, all of you, are you prepared? Are you prepared? I am asking all of you. Avigyan, Aman, Dasrath, Hers, Kunal, Milan, PK, Spriti, Rahul and Satyanarayan. Are you ready? Then we can start.
Yes, ma'am, but not properly.
All of you, are you ready?
No, we can. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am, but not properly.
not properly. Why? May I know the reason?
मैम बोल स्टार्ट कीजिए हो जाएगा.
Okay, we will do some practice. After that, you will be able to reach that, that extent of perfection. At first, we have to do practice, right?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Priti. Priti is there?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Good afternoon, Priti.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. So introduce yourself.
Uh, my name is Preeti Kumari. I am from Myanmar. I am from Kodiyahar, district Godda. आपका ma'am.
Yes, Priti.
Uh, I'll explain my qualification class 10, 12. Again, my hobby, strength, weakness, like that only now.
Priti,
I was
we had discussed how to introduce yourself in an interview. You were not there in the class.
no, ma'am. I was absent.
Then you can also go through the PPT I had uploaded.
Interview question I saw, ma'am.
Interview questions, okay, but how to introduce yourself? There is also a PPT how to introduce yourself. So you should go through that PPT. Introduce yourself is a vital part. So if you get that opportunity to introduce yourself, you should give your best, and you must go through the PPT. There I had discussed in detail, and we had also discussed in our previous classes, but you were absent, I think that's why you were hesitating, right? Now, Rahul, introduce yourself.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. With the beautiful quotation, think good, do better, and achieve the best, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Rahul Kumar Gupta. I am basically from Jharkhand, but currently staying in Dumka, Jharkhand. I have completed intermediate from VNJ Memorial Inter College, Jaipur, and currently pursuing BTech from Jharkhand University of Technology. My strengths are I am self-motivating, disciplined, and hard-working person. My short-term goal is to complete BTech with good marks, and my long-term goal is to be an engineer in respectable position. I like to watch movies based on real stories and also like to sketching. Finally, finally, I like to conclude by decoding my name. R for realistic, A for ambitious, H for honest, U for unique, L for loyal. Thank you.
So, Rahul,
Yes, ma'am.
why should we hire you in our organization? What type of work do you like to do best?
Ma'am, some social work.
Social work. Okay, there is so many candidates having the same quality, having the same skill and academic qualifications. Then, what differentiates you from the other candidates? What motivates you to work hard? Not prepared. Okay, now Satyanarayan. How can you? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Satyanarayan. Um, what makes you interested in this job? Where is Satyanarayan? Satyanarayan is there.
Yes, ma'am.
What makes you interested in this job?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you? Am I? Am I audible? Am I audible? Can you hear me,
It's
Satyanarayan? Okay. Then
yes, ma'am.
now tell me what makes you interested in this job?
Ma'am, I like this job. It is
Okay, then when the interviewer will ask you, you will answer them in such a way.
no, ma'am.
Then I had told all of you that I am going to conduct a mock interview. You know, and I had told you yesterday that take preparation, everybody should be prepared enough, but here nobody is prepared. I need also some motivation, uh, to make the class, lively and full of energy. But what kind of motivation? There is no motivation, nobody is participating here. Then nobody is participating here, nobody is answering properly, nobody is taking preparation.
Ma-
Okay, Satyanarayan, then let me ask you
Ma'am,
some other question also. What are your major strengths?
ma'am, I am honest, self-motivated, and hard-working person with positive attitude towards my career and life.
Okay, what kind of a person are you?
Ma'am, I am a positive person and hard-working person.
Who is an effective leader according to you?
Ma'am, a person who has the capability of a leader is encountered with men immediately. So, an effectively, we must listen to others for suggestion and advice.
Okay, so how can you handle stressful situations?
I be not in worry. I read the situation and do the correct thing.
Where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
Ma'am, 5 years from now, I want to set up realistic goal for myself and for my organization. I hope I will achieve my goal.
What is your salary expectation?
I expect to have a good salary.
What did you say, Satyanarayan?
Which makes me survive, but the work matters. Main thing I want salary. So I expect a considerable of salary according to my ability and your company norms which will fulfill my economical needs.
Okay, now Hers Raj,
Yes, ma'am.
introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. My name is Harsraj. I am basically from Bihar but currently staying in Devghar, Jharkhand. I have completed intermediate from Sidhu Kanu Murmu University and currently pursuing BTech from Jharkhand University of Technology. My strengths are I am self-motivating, disciplined and a hardworking person.
My short-term goal is to be complete BTech with good marks, and my long-term goal is to be an engineer in respectable position. I like to watch movies based on real stories and also like sketching. Finally, I like to conclude my recording my name, that is H for honest, A for active, R for realistic, S for sincere, and H for humble. Thank you.
Okay, Hers, do you think are you fit for the job?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Why do you think you are fit for the job? There are so many other candidates, then why our organization will hire you?
Because, ma'am, as I am a fresher and I have theoretical knowledge and I can do hard work for my organization, and I will put my all efforts for the good progress of my organization
Okay.
and try to fulfill the needs of the company for me from me.
Okay. What about your academic achievements? Are you satisfied with your academic achievement?
Yes, ma'am.
How does your skill match this job?
Ma'am, repeat question. Ma'am, repeat the question, ma'am.
Okay. How does your skill match this job?
Uh, I found my skill. I found my skills matching your requirement, where I can showcase my technical skills to
Okay.
contribute to the company growth.
Okay. Okay. Um, how do you handle if a situation comes where you have to work with your co-worker whom you do not like?
How do I react?
How do you react then if you have to work with a co-worker whom you do not like?
Um,
It's it's a
I
very
should
common.
remain
Say.
I should remain polite and professional.
Hmm.
By learning to cooperate this colleague, I can continue to have a conflict-free work environment.
Okay. Do you have any leadership qualities? Can you manage the whole team?
Um, my own competence, experience, and flexibility help me to adapt to a particular situation.
Okay.
So,
So you can manage, right? How can you assess yourself? How can you assess yourself?
can you assess yourself? Ma'am, I didn't get the words of meaning assess.
If any other institution offer you a higher package, then what will you do? Suppose we hire you.
For me, the work that I do matters a lot.
Okay.
Certainly, money is what we need to survive.
Okay.
However, I would rather take my job that I look doing rather than being paid higher and then leaving.
Okay. How can you contribute to the growth of this organization? What can you do for us?
I believe that my unique experience, problem solving skills, and communication skills differentiates me from most other candidates. I'm pretty sure I will prove to be an ideal candidate for this job.
Okay. Okay, Hers. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So Hers is prepared, but he can give his best if you take preparation. Okay, you are prepared, a little bit prepared, but you can you can be your best version also if you take preparation. Then we can move on to Milan Sagar.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me about your academic background,
Ma'am, I
educational.
have completed my. I have ma'am, for now or for you later, ma'am. When I am going to interview,
Yes, Milan, what are you saying?
ma'am. Ma'am, I am saying that I should consider the current time or 4 years later when I am going to give the interview to the company.
As you wish, current or later,
Okay, ma'am.
whatever you wish.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have completed my bachelor in technology from electrical engineering.
Okay. So you don't have any work experience, right? Then,
No, ma'am.
then how can you will be able to manage your work? Because here all the employees are experienced, right? And you are not experienced. You don't have any work experience. Then how can you able to manage your work?
Ma'am, I think I'm a fast learner, ma'am, and basic, initially I'm a fresher, but I am fully determined to learn the work for your company, and I will do my best to gain experience as soon as possible.
Okay. Why do you choose our organization? There are so many other reputed organizations also. Then why do you choose us?
Ma'am, I find the work culture in your organization is pretty appealing. My skills are a great match for your organization, and I think it will help me to grow professionally.
Okay. How does your skill match this job?
Ma'am, I have technical as well as conversation skills, which is required in this job. So I can seamlessly manage the clients and the work given by the organization.
Can you lead a team?
Yes, ma'am, I think I can lead a team.
Okay.
I have done few projects in my college in which I was the leader of the team, and I managed that project very successfully. So I think I can manage the
Okay.
project.
So, what do you think? What are the qualities of a good leader?
I'm a good leader who is ready to be a good leader is who can initiate the ideas as well as listen to the others, and he must be the problem solving one for the whole team.
Okay. Then, suppose you are the leader and some others members are there in your team who are not agree with your view, right? And they oppose. Then what will you do?
And first, I will try to understand their views and get their point. But if and I will try to communicate with few other respectable peoples who I think are suitable for the work, and then I will discuss. I will talk to him accordingly.
Okay. According to you, what is success?
Ma'am, for me, success means satisfaction. If I am satisfied, I then I would consider myself successful.
Okay. So, do you think failures are necessary for being successful?
Certainly, ma'am. If someone fails, he learns what he did wrong, and next time he will definitely try to don't do that mistakes.
Okay. How can you explain the proverb that is failures are the pillars of success? Can you explain?
Yes, ma'am. Lot of famous people have tried to do some great work, but if initially they failed, but they tried and learned from their mistake, and they did great in their life.
Okay. What about your salary expectation?
Ma'am, my salary expectation. I, I want a salary with which I can maintain a good and healthy lifestyles, and from which I could also contribute to my savings.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Milan. So you were prepared, but you can give your best. Okay. Try to be more, perfect. Okay. But you were good. You were, you know, you give answer very nicely. Now we can move on to um, Pikesh. Pikesh is there. Pikesh, introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
My name is Pikesh Kumar Singh. I am currently staying in Jharkhand in Gota district. Academics. I have completed my inter by intermediate college Mahagamma, and currently I pursuing BTech from Dumka Engineering College. And my experience, I have been working as a mechanical engineering organization by TCS last 4 years. My strength, I am good with people and always listen everyone before talk. And my hobbies are, I love reading biology books and watch motivated movies. Thank you.
What is your greatest weakness?
My greatest weakness are I can't say anyone to do anything work, and I can't say no when some people ask me anything to do. Yes.
Okay, so is there any role model in your life from whom you take inspiration?
Role model. Yes, ma'am. Many things.
Who is your
Role
role
modeling.
model?
To see our homes like my father was farmer and not all things are proper tech.
So your role model is your father, right? Your father. But tell me, how can you, you know, in what way he inspires you?
What, ma'am? Again repeat, ma'am.
Okay, so your father is your role model, fine, but you know how is you inspired by his thoughts? You know, tell me in detail if you can.
I inspire my
What are the
father's
qualities you have learned from him?
my father's role modeling. I changed this. I am hardworking with
Okay,
study,
okay.
and I hardworking to complete education and take government job
Okay,
to.
so according to you, what are the work ethics one should follow?
I not understand, ma'am.
Okay, do you have any principles in your life? Work ethics, that means, suppose, you know, what are the qualities one should follow? You know, suppose one should be disciplined, you know, that is one work ethics. Okay, one should be disciplined, one should be self motivated, one should be honest. So these are the work ethics. One should be very punctual, they should complete their work within deadlines, right? And what about the principles? It differs from person to person. Okay, so honesty, maybe. Okay, honesty, or what can I say,